Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to export a Telegram chat on your PC. So the first thing you need to do is get the Telegram desktop app. If you don't have it, just go to Google and type in Telegram desktop, then click on the first search result which says Telegram desktop. Now you can either get the portable version or the Telegram which is for your Windows. So it's completely up to you. I'm just going to get the portable version because it's easier. So now the portable version has been downloaded. All I need to do is access it. So I just double click on the icon, then click Start Messaging. You can either scan from your mobile or you can just log in using your phone number. We're just going to log in using your phone number. So now it's sent a code to my Telegram app on my phone. Now that we're in Telegram desktop, all I need to do is go into an individual chat history, any chat I want, and then I click the three dots in the top right-hand corner over here and click on Export Chat History. I can select photos, videos, voice messages, whatever I want. So I'm just going to go with photos. I can select the format by clicking on it. I'm going to keep it as HTML. I can also select where it saves. So I'm happy to keep it in the Downloads Telegram Desktop folder. I can also choose if I want to export from the oldest message or from some other date that is in this calendar over here. I can go back as far as I want, but I'm happy with the oldest message. So I'm going to close this. And then to present, yes, I'm happy from the oldest message to present. I can change that as well to be another date on the calendar. So now all I need to do is click export and my data has begun exporting. So it says here, for security reasons, you'll be able to begin downloading your data in 24 hours. We've notified all your devices. Please come back on August 3 at 1:55 p.m. and repeat the request using the same device. Okay, and that is how you export the individual chat history. If I wanted to export more than one chat at the same time, then I would do something a little bit different. And that is click the three lines in the top left corner here. Then I would click on Settings. Then I would go down to Advanced. And then I would scroll down all the way down to the bottom where it says Export Telegram Data and click on that. That would allow me to export account information, contacts list, story archive, personal chats, private groups. So that gives you a lot more freedom if you want to export. And that is how you export a Telegram chat or multiple Telegram chats on your PC. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you found it helpful. Bye.